Hello from Everpay. Today I'll be showing you how Everpay works, and to be a little bit more precise, we'll be showing you how Everpay Swap works. For starters, we'll start by adding our USDT to our wallet. Here we're going to be using MetaMask. You go under Assets, Add Token, simply type in USDT, Tether USD, click on it, hit Next, Add Token, and voila. Now, of course, you don't have to add it, but it's always nice to know exactly how much you have. Once that's done, head over to everpay.io, click on Connect, Ethereum, and you're connected. Next, we're going to click on Deposit, under Assets, USDT, hit the amount. We're going to click on 100, for example. Click on Deposit. Now, since we already do have a balance, we won't accept the transaction. But if you don't, you obviously accept the transaction. Since we already have it, we won't do that. Once you have your USDT in your Everpay wallet, go to Swap, go under Swap USDT for AR. If you want, you can simply click on the number of USDT you have or enter the amount you would like to swap. Click on it. It'll tell you exactly how much you'll be receiving, which is 1.17. Click on Swap, confirm, sign. Now I do have a ledger, so I'll have to confirm it. Sign, and voila. As simple as that. There are no fees, none of that. Very straightforward. Once you do have your AR and you want to transfer it to AR Connect, your AR Connect wallet, click on Withdraw. Your receiver, we switch to Arweave. We go on our AR Connect wallet, copy the wallet address, paste the wallet address, and here hit the amount that you would like to transfer. If you want to transfer the max amount, simply click on this and it will tell you exactly how much. After that, click on Withdraw. Let me just refresh. There you go. So we're going to do the same. Click on Arweave, paste in your address, click on Max, Withdraw, confirm, and sign. Now, since it does take 5 to 20 minutes, I won't be doing it just to save a little bit of time. But once you do receive it, it'll look exactly like this. You go to your wallet and you'll see your AR right there, and then you're free to do whatever you like. So it's as easy as that. There's nothing more to it. If you're asking yourself, will there be more assets added in the future? Of course there will. Right now we're starting with AR and USDT. Do stay tuned. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help. I hope you have an amazing day, and see you soon.